Hi everyone! Today we find out, is there a way to calculate the required input values if I need a specific output value? For today's video, I'll be using a loan amortization schedule that's available in your Excel templates. In this schedule, you enter inputs into the orange cells and Excel will automatically compute an amortization table for you as well as your scheduled payments. I've gone ahead and entered some loan details. Based on these inputs, Excel has told me that my scheduled monthly payment is about $9,700. So let's say I want to find out how much money I can borrow if I just want to pay $8,000 a month instead of $9,700. Because there are several layers of formulas in this worksheet to come up to our scheduled payment, we might have employed a bit of guesswork to manipulate the loan amount to see how close we can come back to $8,000. So we might have said, let's try $430. Comes back kind of close, let's try $420. And like that, we would have adjusted this to come down as much as possible or as close as possible to $8,000. Using GoalSeek, we can avoid that guesswork. So we're going to go Data, What If Analysis, GoalSeek, and we're going to set this cell here to value 8,000. And I want to change this cell to find out how much I can borrow if I just want to pay $8,000 with all the other factors staying the same. Click OK. And Excel automatically computes I can borrow $409,000 if I want to pay $8,000 a month. I hope this video helps take some of the guesswork out of coming up with input values for a required output value. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!